Today we are going to be starting our science unit for this term. It is called Physical World. We're going to be looking at lots of interesting things such as pushing and pulling, forces. As you can see here, it says, "May the force be with you." Things like floating, gravity, all sorts of really interesting things. So, today, our first lesson is on pushing and pulling, and I'll just grab that up now. And with our lesson today, we're learning about different pushes and pulls and how they are created with different materials and equipment. So first of all, what is a push? Well, a push is a force that acts on an object and causes it to move away from the source of the force. It could be something like a push from your hand, from a sports bat, or even from the wind. When any of these forces push against an object, the object will move away. What about pulling? A pull is a force that acts on an object and causes it to move towards the source of the force. It could be a pull from a rope tied to an object, a fishing rod reeling in a fish, or even the pull of gravity. With any of these forces pull on an object, the object will move closer. So, think to yourself, can you think of any examples of pushing and pulling? If you can, write it in the speaker notes just below this slide. What you can do now is have a go standing up and miming out each of these actions. Have a think to yourself. Obviously, we can't discuss the motion as a class, but what you can do is think to yourself or discuss with someone that's in your household with you and decide whether you're pushing or pulling. So just practice closing a door. Would you be pushing or pulling? Or maybe both. Turning a screwdriver. Pushing or pulling? Or maybe both. Or using a wheelbarrow. Are you pushing or pulling? Or both? On the next slide, there's going to be this video that you can watch. It's a little song about pushing and pulling. And then you're going to have an opportunity to create your own drama skit demonstrating a pushing and pulling action. So for example, you could be pulling a wagon or pushing a big box. Have a little think of something around your house that you can do that's fun. You could maybe record it or take a photo of it and post it on the following slide. So have a go doing that. And then there's a push and pull worksheet that you can complete once you finish that. Again, if you have any questions, just ask, because this is a new concept that we're going through, so it might be a little bit confusing, but just see how you go and have fun with it.